on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning into the channel. And today we finally got some parts for the Honda, and we are officially gonna start the turbo build. Got the turbo from over at Max Speeding Rods. Let's go ahead and crack it open. So we got a pretty cool like metal.
What is this?
Emblem.
We don't need that shit.
Oh my goodness!
Wow, look at the size of that thing.
That's what she said. No time, but she did. No time.
It really, come on, man.
Wow.
Look at all that turbage. Hope there's nothing else important in there. Today's April 28th. And the turbo came in yesterday, so right now we're doing maintenance, getting ready for boost, stopping the oil leaks. But I want to show you guys the turbo before we install it. Got one of these whack back ends, but we'll make it work. T3 to 57AR back end, T3 T4 turbo. We're gonna run it stock block for now, so I'll probably be shooting for around 200 225, and then afterwards probably gonna see if maybe we can find another spare block so we can build up, maybe do a Vitara build, and then push this turbo to the limit and see maybe we can make around 300. I'm gonna try to put as much into each episode as possible, kind of like the highlights of turboing the car. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys have any questions, any suggestions, let me know. This is the first time I am working on D16 in this manner, so if you guys have any suggestions, anything you guys are willing to give input on, let me know. I'll be more than happy to learn and be able to experience that with you. And if you have any questions, let me know also. So let's go ahead and let's just get started. Finally got some new tires. There's some Hankook Ventus V2s, 205 5015. I heard honestly that these weren't too bad for like sub 250 horse, so I think these should be good for what we're gonna be doing. And honestly, if they're not and they don't grip up as good as possible, then these back ones, the tread's good now. They're a little bit tall, but whenever these run out, we'll just get better tires for these, throw them in the front, and then put the Hankooks in the back. But for right now, we're gonna run these up front, so we're gonna go see if we can have a local tire shop put these on real quick. All right, guys, so we just got the Hankooks slapped on the wheels up front, 205s 50R15. Go ahead and slap them on, and then, well, we won't be able to test them now because the car is like not together. But yep, we're going to put them on, and then keep working on the boost. Alright, so right now we just have laid out the pipe kit that we're going to be using. This is the Treadstone Performance Intercooler Pipe Kit for the D and B series. So it comes with the pipes that you're going to need. Comes with a welded bung. You can make your choice whether it's going to be tile or HKS. All the clamps, all the couplers. So this is what we're going to be using. So we're going to check the fitment and stuff. I am using an intercooler that is not theirs. I'm using an old intercooler that was on the Altezza before. So we may have slight fitment issues, but I think we'll be able to make it work. If you guys are interested in this pipe kit, go to our website. You'll be able to purchase this exact kit coming with all the components. So we're going to go ahead and start trying to test fit these and see how they line up. And then probably test fit the intercooler, whatnot. Just see how everything's going to fit. And then storm. And then little by little, guys, we're gonna get this car boosted. Let's take off the front bumper and see how the piping goes routing under. I'm gonna take off the music in that one part so everybody knows. Now that's what I call support. Out here in muggy, like 90-degree weather, doing her paper while boosting the Civic on the things.
Honda T.
Alright, so we have the piping temporarily on the car. Just want to make sure everything fit as it should. That's with the CX Racing intercooler that was on the Altezza. So right now everything is pretty much mocked up. Of course, once the turbo is on the car, once we get everything finalized, it's probably going to move slightly, be able to move the piping in or out depending. So, but right now, it's a pretty good test fit. It runs over, goes through hole cut out there, comes around to the intercooler, and goes back around, and then comes up to the turbo. This is probably the one that we may have an issue with. We may have to trim it of some sorts, or maybe even not. Maybe it will be perfect. It might just look a little bit too tall because of how everything's sitting right now, but not too bad. It actually looks pretty good. So turbo's mounted on the manifold. For anyone who's using this style manifold and this turbo, probably the most annoying part is gonna be this bolt. Mira que linda. Anyhow, probably the most annoying part is gonna be getting to this bolt to tighten it, because this one's in the way. All you gotta do is just take this off and unscrew it, as you can see in the video that I just took, and then you'll be able to tighten it down, and then you're all good. I just clocked the back housing to be able to have the drain on the bottom. So the manifold is on with the turbo there. Something I did notice is at the top of the manifold, it seems like it is a little bit steep here. So probably either gonna have to grind that down, or what I might try next time is take out all the bolts and put it pretty much with very little bit of thread hanging out, and see if I can start the bolt. If I can, then we'll be fine. If not, then I'll just try to see if I can shave that down a little bit. But that's not something I'm necessarily going to worry about right now. I put all the other bolts in. So that is currently how it's sitting. As you can see, I had to clock the front housing a bit. That way it'll be straight down. Sorry guys, had to change cameras. The phone ran out of memory. So yeah, so we just have to clock the front and then move the intercooler pipe around to make sure it lines up. But other than that, that's pretty much all we're going to do today. So yeah guys, that's going to be the end of the video. The outro didn't film for some reason. I'm editing the video right now, so thought I'll give you guys the proper outro. So yeah guys, we got the turbo mocked up and the intercooler piping. So next video we're going to keep progressing and hopefully have the car boosted soon. We're going to be doing a electronic boost controller as well. So we'll be showing you how that gets set up, and then everything else will be pretty much just basic oil feed, oil drain, vacuum. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the content. I can't wait to see these things boosted and see what it can do and see how tuning goes on the boosted car. So thank you for watching, and hope you guys enjoy the next video if we see you next week. I hope.